Our ottoman really started getting these little like annoying ball things, and I just wanted to get rid of it. So I got this fabric shaver, and I'm excited to see how it works. Let's check it out. So it has a USB or a battery. I just opted for the USB right now. Wow. So it's like instantly working. I'm gonna give you a close-up so you can really see. Okay, wow, wow. That's like all I have to say about it. It works so fast. I can't believe how easy it is. It works like no other. This is like starting to look new compared to what it was looking like, which was not how I liked my ottoman to look. I'm gonna use it on all our furniture, definitely on some clothing too, and then you can see how much it collected in here, so you know it's working. This is amazing.